Sound. Noise. Anything from a drop in a pond to a fart. Sounds can draw us into the moment and engage us with the story.
Could you,
Or it can do the opposite. All right, so did anyone notice that the music was really loud? Why'd you have to turn it up so loud, Cillian Murphy? Nothing's happening. Oh! Why is it so loud? Cillian. Why is it so loud? Oh, he's in the library. Yeah, that's the music that comes to mind when I think library. Why doesn't this library have any books? That's another video I gotta fart out of my crack. Bad set design. Good sound effects can completely just immerse you into whatever you're watching. Good sound can change your life. George Lucas once said that sound is 50% of the movie-going experience. Danny Boyle said that 80% of a movie is sound. Christopher Nolan, director of Oppenheimer, Inception, and Tenet, recently said, I have a different joke I'm going to use, and it's coming up later in the video, so stay tuned for that. If you go back and check any of my videos, they all use sound. Just look at the difference sound can make. It's night and day. Before you can achieve something like this, you need the sound effects. I get most of my sound effects from websites like Epidemic Sound and Artlist. But recently, it's been getting increasingly difficult to steal from Artlist. More like Fartlist. A new joke is coming up soon. Because of this, I need to make my own sound effects or find free ones online. They need to be royalty-free, copyright-free sound effects that everyone can use in anything they want. I have compiled multiple sound packs that are publicly available to download. Sound pack number 1 contains over 280 gigabytes of sound effects. 280 gigabytes of sound effects, are you crazy? So I'll play all the sounds in that pack for you right now, and you can decide if they'll be useful to you. Sound pack number 1. Feel free to use those sounds in all of your videos, no matter the content, it's yours, but I have more, thousands more. That's what Sound Pack number 2 is all about. It contains over 739 gigabytes of sound effects. Sound Pack number 2. You don't really need any other sounds after hearing that sound pack, but let's go to the next one anyway. Sound pack 3. Sound pack number 4 is another one of my favorite packs because it takes you on a journey. It moves you from the comfort of your home and transports you to so many different parts of the world to get lost in. Help me! I'm lost in a forest! Help me! I'm lost in a parking lot. Help me! I'm lost in the ocean. You may be thinking, what can I do with these sounds? It's difficult to know. I'll give you an example from a video I uploaded a while ago that utilizes sounds from these packs. Help me! I'm lost in a parking lot.